Tommy, what's wrong? You don't look happy today. What happened?
Hello, Joshua. No, it's nothing, just a bad day. Don't worry.
Oh, come on. I know you very well. We have been working here together for 2 years.
Well, you're right, but I don't think I should tell you this. So don't worry.
Don't you trust me? We are friends, are not we? You can tell me. That's okay.
Well, I'm just tired, you know. I have been working really hard these days.
Yeah, I know. Since you became a seller, you have had a lot of meetings lately.
Yeah, I have to sell a specific amount of products each day. That's tiring. I used to like this job before, but now I'm not sure. I have to work overtime sometimes.
Tell me about it. Yesterday I stayed here until 7 p.m. I was very tired.
You see, I think they are not paying us enough. Don't you think?
I totally agree. We are working really hard. We deserve a pay raise very, very soon.
Not only that, I have to wear this stupid suit every day. I don't like it. It's uncomfortable and very difficult to wash. I have to take it to the laundry every 2 days. And the company does not give me any money for that. You know, I use my own money for that.
That's not fair. You should not be spending your money like that. Have not you talked to them?
About the suit? Yeah, I have requested to use just a shirt and tie like you. But they did not want to change their rules. They say they are the new company policies. All the sellers must wear suits because they are the company's image and so on.
Oh, I'm sorry. Again, that's not fair. You shouldn't be forced to wear a suit. And if the company wants you to wear a suit, at least they should pay for that, don't you think?
I totally agree with you, but they don't want to listen to me. I'm tired.
And why don't you ask for a pay raise then? Maybe you should consider that.
I have tried, but it's useless. I asked for a pay raise last month. They did not give it to me. They said I have been working for this company only for 2 years. I'm a new worker.
What? I can't believe it. I can't believe they told you something like that.
Yeah, they said I was a new worker and that I had to wait a little more.
No way. They are not treating you right. Have you already talked to the general manager?
Who? Mr. Coleman? That bastard. I'm sorry, but I don't like that man.
Why? What happened? I didn't know you had talked to him. Tell me about it.
After the hiring manager denied me the raise, I went to the general manager, Mr. Coleman. I told him about my problem with the suit and the payment. He said I was exaggerating. Can you believe it? He also told me I was a new worker after 2 years and that I had to wait a little more. Oh, I also told him about my office. You know the problem I had in my office, right?
The problem in your office? Oh, yeah. The air conditioning. Yeah, I remember.
Aha! I told him the air conditioning machine wasn't working. It broke down last week. And I can't work like that wearing this suit. I'm boiling in that office. It's impossible to work there. Well, he told me that the company was investing in its growth. I don't know. The thing is, he told me that they won't fix it at the moment and that I will have to wait a few months.
Wow, incredible. That's incredible. They can't do this to you. You should complain.
Who should I complain to? I have already talked to the general manager and the owner.
The owner of the company? Impossible. He is not in this country now. But you should report the company for mistreatment, that's for sure.
Report the company? No, that's impossible. If they realize I'm reporting them, they could fire me. I know this is not a good job, but I need this job to earn money. I have to pay for college and also some debts. I can't quit this job, so it's impossible.
There must be a way. Let's think about a solution. They can't do this to you.
Or maybe if we get together and talk to them about the problems of this company. Because you also have problems with this company. They can't fire both of us, right?
I'm tired of this company. They are terrible, horrible people. I would like to quit, get a better job, get more professional opportunities. You know that.
Great. Then why don't you call the manager? We will talk to him and we will win.
All right. If you want to talk to the manager, then that's okay. Give me a second.
Yeah, we will talk to the manager and he will attend to our requests for sure.
Hello, Tommy. Joshua told me you wanted to talk to me about something important.
Good morning, sir. Yes, we have some important requests, and we want you to listen to us.
Yeah, I know that. Joshua told me you are planning to report the company.
No, I mean we would not think about it if you listen to us. We have some problems.
Don't worry. I will save you time. You're fired. Pick up your things and go.
What? No, you can't fire both of us. That's impossible. We will report this company.
I'm just firing you. Joshua is happy with this job, but you are not. So take care.
I'm sorry, Tommy. I can't lose my job, but I'm sure you will find a better job. Take care.
What? How can you do this to me? Now I know your coworkers are not your friends. I hope you liked it. I hope you liked this conversation. If it helped you improve your English a little more, please subscribe to the channel and share this video with a friend. Thank you very much for your support. Take care.